Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make this beautiful vintage style metallic look light smoke fountain, which I made by recycling old plastic jar and homemade ceramic clay. In center of the fountain, I put this beautiful Ganesha idol, so it become a Ganesha smoke fountain. Likewise, we can put any idol of our choice. In the similar way, I put this beautiful Radha Krishna idol. So tell me in the comment section below which one you like the most, Ganesha one or the Radha Krishnan one. So without any further ado, let's get started. If you're new to the channel, it's so great to have you here. So subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell and select all so that you never miss any of my latest videos. decorating our smoke fountain using fairy lights. I am putting this beautiful Ganesha idol in the center of the fountain and putting some decorative stones to finish the project. Now it's time to light our temple looking fountain, and after putting incense stick, here is the final look. I hope you guys love this beautiful vintage smoke fountain. If you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share your valuable feedbacks. And yeah, don't forget to comment down below which one you like the most. Subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.